What's good, guys? This is your boy Project Iceman bringing you another video of Destiny. If you enjoyed it today, please follow me on Twitch and subscribe to my YouTube because I'll have some videos on YouTube as well under the name Project Iceman. And of course, you know my name. My name is Shenron. Well, today we're going to be doing something different. As you can see, I'm finally level 32. Gonna work myself up to level 34 with these stuff right here. Finally got all legendary stuff, though it's from Crucible. It'll work. It's good. It's nice. It's pretty good. But onto the subject. We're going to be doing a House of Wolves story mode, which I've been neglecting to do for the longest because I was in low level and I could barely do the small bounties, right? Yet alone the House of Wolves story. So now that I'm level 32, I can actually do this on hard mode. I never realized it, but I could have done it all this time. Just had to do it on the easy one. But oh well.
Guardian, I can't wait to work with you.
Turn this
Been a long time
so
since
it
I was
doesn't
in the
sound like
field.
an echo.
Even if it's just on the comms.
The wolves are led by Skolos, the last of their Kells. He wants control of another fallen house, the House of Winter. He'll kill their leaders and take command of their troops. With your help, we'll stop him cold.
Let's see.
Your ghost is feeding me telemetry. I see what he sees. Why not take one of those heavy pikes for a spin?
Ah, the pikes. I
Those
almost
heavy
forgot
pikes
about
come
that.
standard with mines. Not sure how to deploy them, though.
Okay, let's get started, shall we? These are the good pikes. These are pikes that could shoot mines around them, as well as shoot. They're not the fast shooting pikes like the from before. They're the heavy duty pikes. They're the pikes that could probably take out captains if they wanted to. Oh.
The wolves have control of the House of Winter's artillery. Take it out before they dig in.
Oops. No. Oh. That could have been bad. I'd toppled over. And I see some heavy. So you could come behind me like it was okay. Instead of the Atheans epilogue, I'll use the Aegis of the Cow. for those who don't know, the Aegis of the Kells is an exclusive gun made by for the House of Wolves. Kind of like the Veskian Dynasty and some other weapons that they made. Okay. Oh, damage. I wonder how well this shield works on. Very hard to hit the legs. Hey, well, that way.
Last week I was delivering court messages. Today we're delivering explosions. I love field work. Get after them, Guardian. The House of Winter and Devils and Kings, they hate Skolas. They think he betrayed the Fallen at the Twilight Gap. Your ghost is detecting traces of a stasis field. Skolas was in a pod for years. It might be him. Strange. They should be fighting. If the House of Winter already kneels to Skolas.
Surprise.
Ferrex, get on the comms! What did he say?
Yes, yes. In your tongue, he said. The wolves stand strong, cower before the Kell of Kells.
Kell of Kells. Did he give himself a promotion?
A fallen legend. He sees himself as a prophet, perhaps. Or he has gone quite mad.
Okay. As you can see, they actually have mines around. It's kind of like the house President Valdez, if you've seen it before.
We're getting close. That cryo trace is getting stronger.
Sorry for being quiet. I'm usually just quiet during story modes like this.
That's the Kell.
Especially
Take
when
him down,
they
Guardian.
pretty much speak themselves.
And he's gone. That skiff has already broken orbit. No problem, Guardian. We'll get him. There's still plenty of wolves in there. Best clear them out. Impressive weaponry. Varix, what is that thing?
Scorch
wait, no! Oh my goodness. It shouldn't be doing so much damage to me. Oh man. I guess I have to start over that one bounty that I picked up. The one where I have to kill a certain amount of people without dying. Yep. Both of them, actually. Why are you in it?
Impressive weaponry. Varix, what is that thing?
Scorch cannon. Powerful and very rare indeed.
I love this plan too. Give me your health. Give me some of your energy. Yes. Okay, follow leaders. That's one bounty man. Haha, silence. Ooh. Oh, another one.
That's strange. For a moment, I detected Vex energy all around the site. As for you, that was great work. Nice to meet a Guardian that exceeds my expectations. Come back to the reef. Winter now bows to Skolos, and the wolves have just gotten started.
Let's see how many bounties I got from that. I just need to get a couple more without dying bounties, and then... one second, guys. I'll be right back. So yeah, guys, I gotta go and eat dinner for now, so I'm gonna have to call this episode short. Sorry about that, but I'll make sure to give you guys a better episode next time. But if you enjoyed, please leave a like, follow me, and all that stuff, or subscribe to my YouTube, whichever one. If you want to get many videos, I suggest YouTube. And I'll see you guys later, next time. Stay cool.